Hello children, welcome to ASA Education. आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 51 Wren in Modern High School Grammar Book से और टॉपिक है the participle. Pick out the participle in each of the following sentences. Tell whether it is present or a past participle and how it is used. Generally speaking, we receive what we deserve. Speaking, present participle, and can be used as impersonal absolute. Having gained truth, keep truth. Having gained, perfect participle. Governing the noun, truth. I saw the storm approaching. Approaching, present participle. Attached to the noun, storm. Hearing a noise, I turned round. Hearing, present participle. Governing the noun, noise. Considering the facts, he received scant justice. Considering, present participle. Impersonal, absolute. The enemy, beaten at every point, fled from the field. Beaten, past participle, qualifying the noun, enemy. Being dissatisfied, he resigned his position. Being dissatisfied, present participle, qualifying the pronoun, he. The rain came pouring down in torrents. Pouring, present participle, attached to the verb, come. Having elected him president, the people gave him their loyal support. Having elected, perfect participle, governing the pronoun him. The traveller, being weary, sat by the woodside to rest. Being, present participle, used absolutely with the noun traveller. So this is your exercise number 51. मिलते हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 52 में. तब तक सब्सक्राइब करिए ASA Education.